Oh, it's one of those.
Yeah,
one of those no spare tires.
Yeah.
And you just keep going till you get to a safe spot. Man, it's serious, man. That's why I put a spare tire in my wife. Jeep.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, she got a physical spare tire in her Jeep for that reason right there.
Full size.
Full size. Now, it ain't gotta be full. It could be a donut, but something. Something is better than nothing. They tell you to call this 1-800 number. Yeah, everything in the air. In the meantime, you done had a blowout. You ain't got a flat. You got a blowout. And they give you an air pump and a can of Fix-A-Flat.
All that money.
All in effort to
a can
save.
of Fix-A-Flat would be way too much to fix it.
All in effort to save weight. It's all about weight.
Yep.
I was wondering when you're gonna do that.
No, I'm trying to.
Oh, but you trying to save it? Who cares?
No, I'm trying to not save it.
Oh.
Tell them the ring. It's gonna catch the ring and spin. That's right. See what I'm saying?
Oh,
I'm trying to break the ring off.
Yeah, you ain't got a good bite on it.
Yes, exactly.
Is it turning?
Yeah, I think.
You hope. Keep just going around that mud.
Yeah.
One of those no spare tires we were just talking about. A can of Fix-A-Flat and a pump in the back.
Yeah, I know.
So the lady like, I'm getting somewhere.
Is it turning?
I think, yeah.
Oh, the lock and lock on there?
Yeah, it's got the ring that's spinning.
Yeah, it's a locker. And I thought that's what that was for, to bite a good, get a good bite on
I've
it.
done plenty of them. I'll break the ring off first. Because the ring keeps spinning, yeah.
Oh, the ring around
Yeah,
it.
this.
So they put that on there to stop people from getting it off.
Exactly.
Are you freaking serious?
Yeah.
I crack it, break it loose, then I grab
Yes.
it. Yeah.
Golly, I didn't know. I swear to God, I did not know that.
Yeah.
They put a ring on there to.
Right.
Yeah, by that time, somebody done came outside.
Yeah. Slow them down, man.
Slow them down. So they go. Somebody is bending the tool right now to get around the ring.
It's always gonna be somebody's coming up with some way to scam.
So what you trying? You don't care about the rim anymore, do you, really?
Oh, no, she said just put my spare on. She's from Chicago.
She got a spare?
Right behind me.
Oh, so it had a spare.
This one did, yeah.
So where's the key?
She had it gone somewhere earlier, and the key, then I tried all our keys. It wore it out.
Oh, so she didn't even have a key. She had a spare.
Yeah.
I was wrong. She had a spare, but couldn't change it. Oh my goodness.
That ring coming off.
So that's what that tool is for? To hammer on there and get it off?
Yeah.
That's a nice tool. Who make that tool?
Oh yeah. Just tight. I'll get it. Rubber stamp.
So what the thieves do you use to get it off?
I think they take the whole car now.
And none of our keys work, and our master key lock works.
Nope.
I'm sorry, but look what kind of wheels this on. Was that really necessary, really?
Right.
I mean, some of the things people do, man, just freaking irks me.
Yep.
It's a regular, typical black wheel. Give me a break, people.
You ain't got a vice or file?
That is terrible, man. It's just terrible. Now back to my man. Did he get it off? No. So you gotta go to plan B, y'all. Whatever plan B is, I don't know. I'll be back. I'll return to city. to check up on them, see how it went. Stay tuned. Got kits right here. Now, the way he explained it, guys, this tool is pretty unique. It essentially tries to bite on the lock, but now they got fancy with the locks, okay? So they have a ring on it that will essentially turn if you try to bite it. Okay, who make this? This is MATCO TOOLS. Lug nut lock flip socket. Yep, you got the whole kit. Sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. So the thinking is to bang inside of it and turn it, but because it has a ring inside of it, it won't let you get a good bite on it. Alrighty guys, stay tuned. Good news. Look at what I see. Yes, my man. Okay. So the ring. Once you got the ring off, he was able to put his tool on it and then get a good bite on the head and then turn it, okay? So guys, it's doable. Now, you can see a little rim damage, I'm sure. Oh man, I hope you don't get penalized for that. Let's see, there's pieces of it right here. So I guess he just bang on it until you split it. Once you split it, you can get a bite on the head with your tool and then turn it. Wow, was this even necessary? See, my point of the whole matter is, guys, it's just a typical black rim. Nothing special about it, nothing fancy about it. I mean, anything can go wrong with these, okay? Even if you have the key, you see how many turns that is? You can easily, this is aluminum, you can easily strip, or this can come out of place and you not be able to get your key off. Some people I know, they put them on so freaking tight to where you can easily strip it trying to get it off, guys. So make a conscious decision on whether you even need these. Look at this rim, nothing special about it. And then they put a wheel lock on it. Now look what we have to do to get it off. So she continued riding on it, and as you can see, the tire is ruined. I take that back. Earlier they do have a spare. They did have a spare tire. It's just it didn't matter at that point. All right. Yes. So here's the key. Okay. It did have a key. The key wouldn't bite on it. Here's the original one. I don't know, guys. Just a big house. All right. So make a conscious decision on whether you want to use this setup or not. All right. That's all I have on that.